It's like somebody giving you back 50% of your time. We all want to get more done in less time, so how the hell can you do that? Well, there's a few different ways, but today we're going to focus on a big one, and that is time batching. Time batching is a time management technique that involves grouping similar tasks together. The purpose of time batching is to minimize the distractions, leading to a workflow that enables concentration, attention to detail, and most importantly, productivity. Basically, we're batching similar tasks together so to avoid multitasking. But before we get into it, I'd love to know, are you currently using time batching at all? Let me know in the comments below and let's get into the video. So why does time batching work? People see success with time batching basically because it works to eliminate multitasking. Multitasking, or dealing with more than one task at the same time, is an absolute productivity killer. Several different studies on multitasking have found that one, multitasking can lead to as much as a 40% drop in productivity. Two, people who are interrupted and have to switch their attention back and forth take up to 50% longer to complete a task. And three, multitaskers make up to 50% more errors when completing tasks. So when you look at it like that, you can see how simply eliminating multitasking can be pretty damn advantageous. Basically, look at your tasks and just group together similar tasks. I'll give you for example with videos. I create 4 videos a month, 1 a week. So instead of doing those individually, going through the entire process of brainstorming one, creating one, editing one, uploading one, I do it for 4 at the same time. So I'll brainstorm all 4, edit all 4, upload all 4. That way I'm capitalising on being in that headspace for that task, and I'm doing 4 rather than just 1, which means that instead of dotting around from task to task, I'm able to stay in the zone, be more productive and get more done in less time, minimising multitasking and distractions. You can also do this with time blocking and group similar style tasks together, such as email admin. So rather than just dealing with emails every time your email pings to tell you you've got one, basically just set aside 10 minutes every couple of hours, deal with your email within that time and just close your email after that. This way you are not going to get distracted by constant pings that bring you out of the work that you're doing, and it's going to enable you to be more productive and stay in the zone. By adopting a time batching mentality, you become more efficient, you reduce multitasking and effectively just get more done in less time. If you found this video useful, make sure you smash that like button. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon to be notified as soon as I release more content just like this to help you build and grow your business through better systems and marketing. And I will see you in the next video.